32 Assassinators versus 32 Aztecs.
Oh, this is gonna be a good day.
Glad to have you along for the ride. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way.
Oh, we're live. So you had a good day, buddy?
Oh yeah.
One way or another. Oh, there we go. You even ride, bro? She's got more jam now.
She's working now, eh?
Oh yeah. Holy. No.
Oh.
Yeah, I might have a little too long there on that one, but I gave it a shot.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing. Last time you're like, I let off like all the time.
Yep.
Just not realizing what I can do, you know? Yeah, well, that's half the battle.
So, what do we think? 32 Assassinators versus 32 Aztecs.
This would be a good comparison.
We got stuck side by side.
That's true. Yeah? You got a giver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See if we can make it.
Okay. Holy! There's the difference right there, boys. 1000 Renegade and an SCM clutch. That's all I gotta say. Little pull-out train action here. Hey, Tim! How's it going now?
Not too bad.
Good.
Pull people out, getting stuck. Pull people out, getting stuck.
Yeah. It's kind of the way it goes, eh?
Oh yeah.
So I just kind of did what Dan said there, and I literally held it all the way.
Yep.
That's the first time.
Yeah.
And then I was like,
it does things.
wow.
Yep.
Here comes the rocks. I was like, okay, better let off just right in front of it.
I know, you screamed right by me there.
Which? Oh, there she goes. She's coming. Coming up. She's coming up. So, what's the take on the Assassinator so far?
Oh, I love them.
Love? So, it doesn't matter how big your tires are. You just get in deeper holes. Do you even ride, bro? Yes. Yes, I do. For sale cheap. We're getting right back into her, boys. Why not? Why not? Hey! Isn't this where we started? Yeah, oh yeah. I couldn't really see much, so I was like, yeah.
I hogged it right out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's juicy. That's a little wet.
Oh yeah, she's juicy.
You good, buddy?
I know, I think it's broken.
Uh-oh.
I just heard
You heard something?
I heard something in the front end. Yeah.
That seems pretty loose.
She's backed right out.
Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning up here.
Yeah. Oh, I think my 4x4 is broken. Must be something in the front diff.
Yeah, because the shaft's turning.
Yeah, the shaft's turning.
Whoa! Just had a little break for a forest fire. Well, it wasn't a forest fire, but there was a little fire burning, and we got her out. Some people were helping, but of course, then everyone goes, "Oh, the fireman, you can put her out." I think it's out, but it sounds like over there, everybody's having a good time in that field over there. So I might as well head there, eh? All right, we'll give it a shot. Oh!
Why not keep the energy going and watch this one right here?
Oh my God, the mosquitoes.
I'll see you in the next one.